back to another class. In our last class, we learned about classes and properties of fiber, where we said we have two types of fiber. We have the natural and the synthetic, and we discussed extensively on what natural fiber. So today in our class, we are going to be learning on the other type of fiber, which is synthetic fibers, and we're going to be discussing on their characteristics and properties. Man-made or synthetic fiber, or you can say artificial fiber. Man-made or synthetic fibers. Man-made fibers can be classified into two groups. The first group is the cellulose-based fiber, which is made from cellulose, which is obtained from cotton linters or wood pulp. What do we mean by this? Cellulose-based fibers are fibers that have cellulose. That's why they are called cellulose-based. And this cellulose we are talking about is gotten from the plant cells. It's gotten from the plant cells and helps the plant to remain stiff and upright. That's cellulose. It's a molecule, or you can say it's a polysaccharide, but it's gotten from the plant cells. So cellulose-based fibers are fibers that have cellulose. And we said examples of these cellulose-based fibers are viscose rayon and acetate. As you can see in this image, this is the image of a cellulose-based fiber. Second one, non-cellulose-based fiber. Non-cellulose-based fiber are made from mineral substance such as coal and petroleum. So unlike the cellulose-based fiber that are made from cellulose, a non-cellulose-based fibers are made from a mineral substance such as coal, or you can say your petroleum. Examples are polyester, nylon, and acrylic. So this is an image of the non-cellulose-based fibers. These are different yarn made from a non-cellulose-based fibers. You can see this is a picture of the various types of synthetic fibers. We said we have rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic. We have viscose rayon, we have nylon, we have polyester, we have acrylic, and we have acetate. These are examples of synthetic fibers. Now let's discuss on each of them. Viscose rayon fiber. Viscose rayon is made by treating wood pulp or cotton linters with certain chemicals. It is therefore called regenerated fibers. Remember from the beginning I said cellulose-based fiber are fibers that's made of cellulose, and we said we can get them from cotton linters and wood pulp. So viscose rayon is a fiber that is gotten from either source, but the difference here is that it is made with certain chemicals. So it's the addition of the chemicals to the fibers that will give you viscose rayon fiber, and it's also called regenerated fiber because why? It's synthetic, it's produced. It's also called regenerated fiber. So this is an image of rayon. We have rayon from wood pulp, we have cellulose fiber of rayon, we have the different material, different fabrics that you can make from rayon fiber, that you can produce using rayon fiber. And that will bring us to the properties of rayon fibers. Firstly, it is absorbent and moth-proof. What do we mean by absorbent? It can absorb moisture easily. Moth-proof. Moth is an insect, meaning the fabrics that is being produced from these rayon fibers are not easily affected by insects. They are not easily affected by insects. That's what they are proof. It is soft and drapes well. It is soft and drapes well. We said it's absorbent, it's mold proof, it's soft and drapes well. It is not very strong, especially when wet. I'm talking about the characteristics, or you can say the properties of what viscose rayon fiber. It creases badly. What do you mean by crease? Now last slide I explained it. Creasing has to do with lines you see in your fabrics. Yeah, you can see the image. Lines you see in your fabrics that you now need to iron it. You see there's wrinkles, there's line, it's squeezed. Yeah, the right word to use is what is crease. So it's creased badly. Still on the properties of rayon, it is cool to wear and dyes well. It resembles silk in appearance only, meaning you can dye it to different color of your chest, and in the appearance it looks like it is silk. Remember, silk is a natural fiber. Good. And that will bring us to the next fiber, which is acetate. This is also a regenerated cellulose fiber. It is made from wood pulp or cotton materials, treated with acetic acid and acetic anhydride. Yeah. The first one, which is rayon, we said is made from wood pulp and cotton materials, but treated with some certain chemicals. For acetate, it is treated with acetic acid and acetic anhydride. That's why the name is acetate fiber, because it's acetic acid that they add to the fiber gotten from the wood pulp and the cotton material to produce these acetate fibers. You know, we said synthetic fibers are man-made, so it's man that produces the artificial. They are not natural. So substances are added to the natural one to make it regenerated. So for acetate, it's acetic acid and acetic anhydride that has been added to give us the acetate fiber. Properties of acetate: it has silk-like, rich, soft appearance. It is fairly cool to wear but uncomfortable in hot weather, meaning when the weather is hot, you will not be comfortable wearing a fabric made of acetate fiber. As you can see, the various types of fabric that are made from acetate. It recovers well from creasing. It is not absorbent, meaning it doesn't easily absorb moisture. That's what I mean by it is not absorbent. So this is an image of fabric made from acetate fiber. Still on the properties, it is attacked by moths and mildew. Mildew is a fungus that affects clothes, so it is easily attacked by it. Many times you see our material, it's as if we see some whitish substance on the material, so it affects our clothes, and this fabric made from acetate are easily attacked by fungus. Alright. He said it can be dyed in rich colors and dries quickly. As you can see, it dries quickly. It is soft and drapes well. It loses strength when wet. You can see a fabric made of acetate fiber. Nylon fiber. Nylon is the family name for all synthetic polyamides. So nylon fiber has to do with fibers that are gotten from what? Polyamides. They are gotten from what? Polyamide, which are organic compounds. So properties of nylon fiber. It is very strong and its strength is not affected by wetting. It is very elastic and does not crease easily. I already explained what it means, what we mean by what? Creasing. It is weakened by prolonged exposure to sunlight. White nylon may become grey or yellow with age, meaning a fabric made of nylon with time of usage, the more you use it with time, the color will start changing to grey or yellow. It does not absorb much water. It is easy to wash and dry quickly, easily. Or you can say quickly. It requires no ironing because it doesn't shrink. It is not comfortable to wear in hot weather. Yeah, you can see the image. You can't wear such a fabric in hot weather. You'll be feeling much heat. That will bring us to polyester what? Fibers. Polyester are also products of complex series of chemical processes using petroleum products and other what? Chemicals. So it's petroleum products and other chemicals that they use in producing polyester what? Fibers, and that's where the name polyester is coming from. So we said in polyester fibers we make use of petroleum products and other chemicals. Properties of polyester fibers. They are very strong and not dyed easily. They are resistant to abrasion, meaning their resistance to abrasion means they don't easily worn out. Yeah, they last. The fabrics made they are what? They last for a long time. This is what an image of a polyester fiber. We say they are not dyed easily. Okay. They do not stretch very much. They are crease resistant. So meaning they don't shrink easily. Also, they are not harmed by heat and are resistant to rots, meaning they are not easily affected by insects or fungus. Yeah, that's the fiber. They are generally worn to wear and easy to watch. So hope we've learned a lot on the various types of synthetic fibers. We discussed on nylon, we discussed on what polyester, we discussed on acetate, and we also discussed on what? We discussed on acetate, polyester, nylon, and rayon. So hope we've learned much. See you in our next class. Bye.